Welcome. This video describes the new hole sorting options, now available in Esprit Release 4.1. Hole sorting lets you quickly define the machining order of groups of holes with the same orientation. You can choose from several predefined strategies, or change the order manually. First, the holes in the part are recognized and grouped by direction. When the group of holes is edited and the group name is selected in the Holes pane, the Holes Order menu becomes available. Here, select from several sorting routines, each with its own set of sub-options. As you choose between options, notice that Esprit provides a live preview of the machining order in the graphics area. If you choose the manual sort routine, you can click and drag holes in the list to change the order. Thank you for watching this Esprit product feature video. For more information about this and other new features in Esprit, refer to the release bulletin and product help.